A lot of you put very nice comments in the videos I produce, and today I'm going to answer your questions. Let's go. Hi, this is Antoine Dupont with Katapult.Marketing, where we help industry experts and thought leaders just like you increase their visibility and authority with video marketing. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. A question from D. Colorist. Dear Antoine, this is so great, thank you. I applied what you teach, hereby my new improved landing page according to your steps. Hope you approve, and any suggestions are very welcome. D. Colorist, thank you very much for your question. Three things I noticed on your website that are great. Number one, it's a WordPress website. You can't go wrong with WordPress. It gives you the scalability to do whatever you want. So great job on that. Number two, I love the awards. You have awards that are right there. So this is great for credibility and authority. You did a really good job there. Number three, you have great testimonials with pictures of people that have used your services. So this is, again, really great for credibility. Good job there. Now, here is what's missing on your website. The call to action. I looked at your webpage and there's no call to action. I don't know, how do I get started? How do I engage with you? Here's what you should have. You should have a clear and precise call to action on your website telling people exactly how do they get you, how they hire you for your services. So for example, if you want them to request a consultation, well, maybe you should have a button that says request a consultation. If they need to get a quote from you, then ask for a quote, or better yet, get a quote, or even better yet, get a quote today. Or even better, get your quote today. Now you have a super specific, clear call to action, and I am sure that this will get you more people asking a quote from you and getting some leads. Here's another question from Richard Hill. Really interesting, but here's a tough one. How do you market a business on Facebook when the products are banned content, and as a result, they won't even take your money for paid ads, i.e. vapor company? Here's the deal, Richard. I don't think that Facebook is a good medium for you. First of all, Facebook is not designed for pure advertising. This is where we give our undivided attention on a daily basis, but this is not where we're going to buy some products. So if you're trying to advertise a product on Facebook, that's the first no, I wouldn't go that route. The second thing is, if Facebook is not allowing you to advertise this, I mean, they don't allow you to advertise DUI lawyers and other things that Facebook has deemed controversial, then, well, simply don't do it. You know, that's not a good medium for you. However, I think there's an opportunity for a lot of brands and a lot of companies out there to leverage Facebook to basically develop what is called brand awareness. That's really what more Facebook is designed for. So what you could do, and I would highly recommend, is create educational or entertaining videos around your product and services and reach a wider audience with brand awareness as opposed to pure advertising. If you want to do pure advertising, Google AdWords may be the route for you. Here's a question for Dezane. Hello Antoine, my business is selling interior door and laminate flooring. Any idea for those categories? Yes, I have a great idea, and the idea is create videos. Create videos around laminate flooring. Like, teach me, educate me, entertain me about everything around laminate floor. For example, I just went to insertthepublic.com, entered the keyword laminate flooring, and clicked on get questions and got tons of questions. One of the questions that popped up for me is, what laminate flooring cleaner is best? You know the answer. I don't. Guess what? I have laminate flooring all downstairs at my house, and I have no idea what to use. If you created a video telling people what is the best cleaner to use on laminate flooring, that would create an amazing brand awareness for you. A lot of people would be watching it because a lot of people were interested about that. Your job is to position you as the laminate flooring expert guru. You know everything there is to know. Educate us. And the way you do it is one video at a time, one video a week. At the end of the year, you got 52 videos, unless you take a couple of weeks of vacation, you're entitled to it. But you'll have 50 videos and you'll position yourself as the go-to person with laminate flooring. Now remember, people do business with people they know and they like. You want people to know you and like you? Create videos. John Sutton asks, I have a wildlife control company that I'm marketing on Facebook, and so far I've used animal memes, photos, and videos of animal captures to grab attention, but I'm still not getting the results I want. Any advice? Hey John, yes, I have a great advice. I actually went on your Facebook page and I looked at all your posts, all your memes, and everything that you have done, and especially your videos. And you have a video that is absolutely amazing, which is the one where you capture a rattlesnake in a tree. I mean, I couldn't stop watching it. I was fascinated by it. I was like, how is this going to turn out? This guy's gonna get bitten and everything. That was a fascinating video, and you need to do more of that. Now, there's a few things that you can do to improve it, having a little bit of a better sound, maybe a soundtrack with it, maybe explaining what's happening, but just the visual was super entertaining and I watched the whole thing. Now, what you've done with me is you position yourself as the guy that could resolve that problem if it happened to me. So what I would do if I were you is I would go all in creating educational videos, maybe entertaining videos around everything that you do, and you're always out and about. You got tons of stuff. You catch a rattlesnake, you catch raccoons, you catch all kinds of animal. Maybe you do catch and release. You could explain to us, do you catch and release, or do you catch and what is it that you do with those animals? But explain to us what's happening. It's an amazing opportunity for you to create some great videos and create an amazing traction for your business. Create videos, start now. Chosen Bread asks, hi Antoine, good stuff. What are your thoughts on animated videos as an alternative to having a person presenting? Great question, Chosen Bread. My personal thing is I am not a huge fan of animated videos. I think they have their place, but I don't think that they should replace having a live person. In my opinion, they should be a complement to having a video person. So if you're going to create videos for yourself or whatever you're doing, if you're going to create about 10 videos that are with a live person, with you on the camera, you could create 3 or 4 complement videos to go with that. But I wouldn't go all in with the animated videos. My personal experience is I much prefer listening from a person that I can see and interact with, or having a sense I'm interacting with them, than just looking at some animated videos. I think they work really good, but you gotta take it with a grain of salt. And in my opinion, they don't replace and they're not better than a live person. A live person video is significantly better. At least that's my take. Luxus asks, enjoy the advice, watched all of it. Would love to know if our website meets your approval. It's lexus-hauser.com. Hi Luxus, I look at your website and here is my take on it. When I look at a website, I always answer those 3 questions. What do I get? How is this making my life better? And how do I get it? I think you have a beautiful website. It's built on WordPress, it's visual. I kind of have a sense that you're selling luxury rentals and selling houses in England. So I don't understand it. I don't know the market in England, how you position yourself. But the first question is, what do I get? So I guess when I look at your website, I get from the name that you're luxury rental, luxury properties around London. So that's pretty good. How is that making my life better? I think you need to do a better job. You need to explain to me, you're gonna find the house faster, you're gonna sell it faster for me, you're gonna make the process, you're gonna save me time, you're gonna save me money. I need to know how hiring you is going to make my life better. And then the third thing is, how do I get it? I thought your call to action was a little bit weak, and I think you need to be super clear and super specific. If what you want from people is to give you a call, then the call to action should be, give me a call today, or book an appointment today, or schedule a consultation today. You need to be super clear, super specific with the call to action so people know exactly how to engage with you and what you expect from them. Fill out a form, give me a call, whatever that is. Question from Custom Prototypes. I own a 3D printing company and I'm struggling to find the best approach on advertising. It's such a niche industry. We have developed a brand and have got a lot of publicity with some unique project online, but as far as getting customers who need 3D printing services, we aren't so successful. Any ideas on how to approach a service-based small business? We rank pretty high on Google for our targeted keywords, but I think we're missing out on Facebook ad potential. Hey, Custom Prototypes, I took a look at your website and your Facebook page, and I agree with you. I think you need a little bit of help. And the solution, guess where? With videos. You have an amazing opportunity, especially with what you're doing. All the 3D projects, I would go all in with educational videos, but specifically how to do things. There are two places that you can make a huge difference on Facebook. Number one is entertaining videos, and number two is how-to videos. We can get enough of that. What we don't want is advertising. I want you to sell your services, but I want you to tell me how it's done. Show me example. You have stuff going on in your business all the time, like how you do a project. There's a matter of fact, you have one of your posts which was posted on YouTube, which you linked in your Facebook page, and I wouldn't do it like this. You need to upload your video natively directly into Facebook and have those videos about how to and entertaining. And I think what you're going to see is a huge reach and number of views is going to skyrocket. And then once you have a video that is really taken off, advertise this. Remember that Facebook is not an advertising platform. It's a branding and messaging platform. If you need sales, Google is the answer. If you need brand awareness, Facebook is the answer. So with Facebook, create how-to videos and see your brand awareness going through the roof, because everything you do is fascinating. Thank you for watching this video. If you got value out of it, please like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Thank you.